These days, there has been a lot of buzz around the Paga PayPal connection in Nigeria. It was already a big deal, but now there is something even more exciting. Today, I'm going to show you a platform that works directly with PayPal, allowing users in Nigeria to convert their cryptocurrency into cash. The platform is called VEILUR. One of my friends told me about this platform, and trust me, when I tried it out, it was amazing. No cap, there are a lot of benefits to using this platform. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything I screen recorded while using this platform. But first, let me tell you about all the benefits you will get as a new user and what you will continue to enjoy as you keep using the platform for your everyday crypto transactions. VEILUR is a crypto to cash platform built specifically for users in Nigeria. It allows you to convert your cryptocurrency into cash and receive your payout through PayPal. Once your PayPal account is linked to your Paga account, you can easily withdraw your fund. Like I mentioned earlier, apart from the exchange service itself, VEILUR also offers several benefits for both new and existing users. And that is exactly what I'm going to be unboxing in this video. Unboxing, don't mind me, I'm just excited because I received my $25 welcome bonus. First of all, if you sign up for VEILUR, you are eligible to receive $25 welcome bonus within 24 hours. But wait, don't rush to sign up just yet. If you register through a referral link, you will also receive an additional 0.5% exchange rate bonus. So yes, now you can rush to use my referral link in the description below. But make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important details. That extra 0.5% exchange rate bonus means you will get slightly better value every time you exchange your cryptocurrency on the platform. Now, let me tell you the best part. If you would also like to earn from referrals like I do, VEILUR has a referral program. All you need to do is register and complete at least one crypto to cash exchange on the platform. It is literally that simple. Just transfer crypto from your wallet to your VEILUR account, exchange it, and receive the payout through your PayPal account linked with Paga. Once you have completed your first transaction, you will unlock your own referral link, which you can start sharing with others. Whenever someone signs up through your referral link and exchange crypto on the platform, you will earn 2% referral reward based on their exchange activities. Trust me, you are going to love it. And don't forget, if you join VEILUR using my referral link, you will qualify for the additional 0.5% exchange rate bonus plus the 25% welcome bonus, which will be sent to your PayPal account within 24 hours, subject to the platform eligibility requirements. Now, enough of talking. Let me show you how this actually works. I'm going to split this video into two parts. In the first part, I will show you how to connect your PayPal account to Paga. And in the second part, I will show you how to use VEILUR, claim your 25% welcome bonus, and receive it in your PayPal account, and then withdraw the money through Paga. Just stay tuned to this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more information just like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the video.
So guys, the first step is to connect your Paga account to your PayPal account, which I'm going to show you now. Then after we connect our PayPal and Paga together, we are going to move to the next step. So let's start this one first. So what you have to do is just log into your Paga account. I will sign in using my biometrics, my fingerprint. So cancel. As you can see, my Paga account is still in Thai 2. The account is still in Thai 2. Wait, I want to show you. As you can see, still in Thai 2. I've already uploaded my address verification and it is still review, but um that doesn't stop you from connecting your Paga to your PayPal account. To one page, click on this Naira account here, click on the drop down. So once you click on the drop down, click on PayPal. Now
Getting
connect.
started on PayPal with
You
Paga is
connect.
super quick. Let's get
So once you click on it, it will bring you to PayPal interface where you can sign in to your PayPal. So in this place, if you don't have a PayPal account, it will tell you to sign up You can sign up using this button here. But if you have a paper account and the email on your paper account is the same with the one you used to create your paper account, it will bring out the email right here, and you can just enter your paper password right here. I get to the point. But another thing you need to note is that the phone number on your paper account must be the same as the phone number you use in your paper account. So once you take note of these two things, you will not have problem connecting your Paga with your paper. So with that being said, let me enter my password. Now, as you can see, select confirm it's you. So I will have to, you can confirm through text, you can confirm through email, but I will choose through email. Click on next and a code will be sent to your email address. Now let's go get a code. Yes, the code is in. Okay, that is incorrect code. Now this is the correct code. So let's cancel this one and submit this. Yeah. So account is connecting. Your Paga account has been successfully connected. You are ready to engage global commerce with Paga and PayPal. As you can see, we have already linked both accounts together. So you can cancel this. You can simply click on show me around to show you how the interface look like. Done. So as you can see, so just before you begin transactions, PayPal may require a quick verification step in their app. Tap to complete. So in that case, maybe if PayPal bring you a pop-up notification in their PayPal app, you can simply click to accept it over there. But if it doesn't bring, that doesn't have any issue on your account, you can just cancel it. You can just cancel it just like that. So this is your PayPal interface. As you can see, this is your paper interface inside Paga account. So any money you transfer from your paper account to your Paga will appear here. Will appear here in USD, and all the balance will appear here. So you can request, you can withdraw. So this request means if you click on request, it will bring the money from your paper to your Paga, and you can withdraw. So once you withdraw, it will come to your Naira account on Paga. So I'm going to show you every step. This is just the first step. Are you getting it? This is just the first step. Now let's move on to the next step. But before we move on to the next step, make sure you like this video, click the subscription button, and drop your opinion in the comment section. And if you have any question at all, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Now, this is the second part I said I will show you, and this part contains everything about VEILUR, how you can sign up, request your $25 bonus into your paper, and transfer it from your paper to your Paga. So without wasting much of time, let's get into it. So what you have to do is just open your browser. Now go to VEILUR platform, that is veilur.net. As you can see right here, click on it and it will load the platform interface like this. This is the platform I've been talking about since from the beginning of this video. So what you have to do to request your $25 bonus is just come here and enter your email address. Mind you, this email address must be the same email address you use for your paper account and your Paga account. So if you enter another email address, it will not, the money will not appear on your paper. I get to my point. So what you have to do is just enter your email address, and email must be the same with the one you use for your paper and Paga. As for me, I have already requested my 25% bonus, which I'm going to show you. So you just click on get bonus. So as you can see, this email address has already received a community bonus and is not eligible for additional bonus. Now let me show you my balance in my, so I'm going to log into paper right now. as you are seeing. Yes, as you can see, this is my bonus in my PayPal account. This is the incoming bonus right here. As you can see, July, that was yesterday, July of 26, and today's date is, as you can see, July 8th. So when I signed up to the platform, and they told me my bonus will arrive within 24 hours, and yesterday, later that day at night, the bonus arrived, and this is the bonus. And I decided that okay, it's already late, but I will do the screen record and everything, and I will post it on my YouTube channel and my other platform so that my audience can see it and they too can benefit from this. As you can see in paper, yeah, you cannot withdraw money in Nigeria. So there's no withdraw money in Nigeria. So what you have to do is go to your Paga. So you must have linked your Paga to your paper. So let me log into my Paga. So go to your Paga account. You know, when I first show you the video of Paga, there was no money in my paper then. When I first screen record how to connect your uh, Paga to your paper, there was no money there. Now that money is in my paper, now you can see the balance here. As you can see, now let's request. No, that is withdraw to my Naira account. So I want to withdraw the 25 USD, which should give me 29,400. Now, if I put this, see the same thing. So let me just withdraw the 25 USD right here, and bam, withdrawal in progress. Your fund are on the way. As you can see, just like that, it's as simple as that. You withdraw 21,000, sorry, $21, the charges and all of that. Now let me go back to my wallet. As you can see, this is the money. Then you can send, allow access, okay. Then you can send that money to any account of your choice. So this is as simple as that. So as you all know me, I will show you some legit platform that you can actually make money from without worrying about blah blah blah, all of that stuff. So go use VEILUR. Don't forget to use my referral link so that you can also get 0.5% welcome bonus. And don't forget to trade on the platform so that you can get your referral link unlocked. And make sure you share this video, like it, at least share it to one of your social media platform. If you get value from this video, don't forget to share it to one of your social media platform. My name is Timmy Samuel, and I will see you in the next one.